You know, the movie Transformers, Revenge of the Fallen, the #1 film in America. Transformers, the #1 film in America. Yeah. Nearly $300 million in its first 12 days. $300 million. And it just goes to show you what I've said all along. People love robots.
Yeah. People love robots.
And that's the list tonight. Top 10 things that sound cool when spoken by a giant robot.
Oh.
Like, if you hear somebody on a bus or a subway having this conversation, it wouldn't be anything. But you hear these things being spoken by a giant robot, you say, whoa.
You say,
and now, yeah.
Cool. You say cool.
Cool, yeah, exactly.
Cool.
And now here to present tonight's top 10 list from the blockbuster film Transformers, Revenge of the Fallen, please welcome Optimus Prime. Ladies and gentlemen, Optimus.
Nice to be here.
Yeah, try not to bust up the dump, will you?
Nice. He says, nice to be here.
Yeah, every time we have a robot, we go through the same thing.
I hate it.
I mean, they teach them everything else. How about teaching them some manners?
Yeah, really.
The category, top 10 things that sound cool when spoken by a giant robot.
Okay. What is it?
Maybe overheating or something. Number 10.
Jergens lotion leaves my hands silky smooth.
Number 9.
Do you have these khakis in size 114?
Number 8.
My perfect night involves a pint of Häagen-Dazs and season 3 of Sex and the City.
Number 7.
Man, do I love me some taters.
Yeah. Top 10 things that sound cool when spoken by a giant robot. Number 6.
It was so hot in Central Park today. I saw a squirrel rubbing sunblock on his nuts.
Number 5.
You seemed a little pitchy, dog.
That's fine. Number 4.
Brody Jenner has added you as a friend on Facebook.
Number 3.
Live from New York, it's Saturday night.
Now you're pushing your luck. That's funny. Number 2.
My parents wanted me to be a rabbi.
There's something about this guy I don't like. And the number 1 thing that sounds cool when spoken by a giant robot.
All the slammin' shorties in the house say, yeah.
Now, if he wrecks the green room, there's going to be trouble.
I don't blame you.
And good luck getting a cab. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be back with the Hayden Planetarium.